Another classic. Father baby.
It's candy beats.
Chinchina trying. Yo, shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Munjami, 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 munjami. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Munjami, 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 munjami. So what's what to na boom, boom, so what to na boom, boom, so what to na boom, so what to na boom, I did a boss on. Hey,
Shami so ointment to be on my mission. Half my minute to swear.
Ointment. Now, when I did a pass, I saw what the course was an answer to call about no more motion. Every tomorrow.
Not to me.
Yeah, sure. That's I said, don't pay myself and Fenya. So, when I get here, left and right. Oui. Yo.
David, let me try. Let me.
Yo. You would if I call about no to do penny to my way. Huh? Eh, wow, could to be an anchor. I didn't boss one, I say.
Me drive away and I make what them. And I apartment in me and
Easy.
Mr. Fiddle wants me to my way.
But any appearance, but I mean, has a many wants me to be able to. Now I got you. With your cafra,
Mattia. About your mental.
I mentioned the base here. Cafra.
About your mental way. Shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, shakala, shakala, bagala, bagala, munjami, 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 munjami. Come up, where you take a car, not the fair for swat and one on better white. Oh, why won't you mean it? I never mean far up in your man. Kafra. Yeah, baby. Oh, kakranka ebeko. Kafa. Mione ebeko. Honey, what is that going on? Young one, what is the time that you doing? What's in the 9 years or something for me? No, come back! What's in the 9 years? Why you do instead of you to sit in front of her to make this thing? Sit in front of her. I don't know doing Yana. Honey, what is happening to you? Nigeria former papa. Is it father? Yeah. Oh, sorry. And then you I'm just helping your wife and you are here. You're just helping her. I'm helping her. He told you to help her. He told you? Yeah, she asked me to help her.
I did, because it pains me, please.
That thing they pay her. The pain is too much.
It's okay. Don't touch it. Me myself, I will touch it. Don't worry.
Can you do it?
I will do it.
Can you do it?
No, honey.
Can you do it?
It's okay. I will do it for you. And let's go inside.
This is my job.
This is not your job.
It's my job. Let me help you.
No, don't do it.
Hey, Master, let me help her. Let me help her. Can you help her?
It's my fault to help. Hey.
Oh!
Hey.
Let me help the girl before the girl
honey, why you have problem with this man? And then why is... It's for me. The water is for me. Give it to me. Go and buy yours. It's for you. Yes, it's for me. See. Go and buy yours. Honey, let's go. Baby. Please, I don't want to talk too much.
Most sorry, I can't tell myself, Mumwale, and Yansafa, I'm casting a young
Let me put you.
I bought over one tishy, what can't you want to say? We have treatment. May wow and a honey. Maybe so. I want to move around for a while.
Baby, you know only you can't see me.
Let me put you.
Oh, Manaja.
I mentioned about this.
Nigeria, this happened last Nigeria.
Sorry. Where are you going? Come back.
Oh, Manaja. Bengueba. Share. I don't want to. Welcome, Hassan. Oh, no, Nigeria, if in Nigeria, Abenya Ghana, ni ba papa, and then a genge.
Young man, don't go stay there. See, please.
Hey.
In your outfit like this, I don't want you to see you again. What this nonsense you have done again?
Don't you do what?
I come to this house. I don't have problem with you. We stay in this house. Peace and love.
I think you don't have sense. Yes, I'm telling you the facts. If you have sense, you will know how to talk to me. You should have asked me what's going on. Why are you touching my wife's knee? And I will tell you, your wife needs a help. Me at my place, and your wife called me. Please, I need an ointment. I want to do something. My leg is paying me. Then I brought her the ointment, and she said, "Oh, please help me. I have problem. I cannot do it. So help me do it for me."
And then why you didn't tell them? Guess you should stop. I mean, if your husband come, you go do it. After you need it, you want to make friends with that girl, eh?
I say you
don't know how to.
Waka. If you take one, I take one.
Hey.
You are friends. Let's stop fighting. You be Nigerian man, I be Ghana man. We are all one.
House. I don't want to maybe create the problem.
Yes.
Yes, I know. So anybody will go touch her.
Yes. It's true. It's true. I know you love her. And me too. I can never do such a thing. Yes. Your wife is my sister.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can never do any bad thing to her.
Okay, you tell her.
Just a help. I'm helping her like my own sister.
Oh, really?
Yes. Now that's a reason. Why, Jimmy? What do you mean answer?
I have in my mind the thing say, somebody touched my academic.
Oh no!
It was nothing away from me. That is exactly
your
because
wife.
The girl, when the Ghana people say, "I bought hookah."
What about hookah?
So I don't.
You have been invest in her.
Exactly.
Much and much.
Yes.
So
anybody
and the girl too love you much.
Okay.
She always tell me.
Okay, he tell you.
Yes. that she loves you.
Oh, really?
You are the bottom of her heart.
Oh, really?
You are the only man she loves.
Hey.
She says you have a big jongo. You do the thing jolly. And she
tell you all this?
Yes. She said your waist is too much powerful.
Okay,
you do hard work.
And sometimes maybe we've been treated.
Then you hire lawyer. Let me teach you one thing. 1 minute is called tabia tapum.
Okay.
Try it.
I should try it.
A very powerful medicine.
My waist. Your waist. My waist.
You go chop like you are chopping kelewele.
Man, well, I am now. So I'm going there. So later we go talk, right? Okay.
Okay, I think you like the tin match.
And just me pedodo.
She won her morning. She won her afternoon. She won her evening. I didn't eat that night too.
Okay, bye.
Nigeria, I'm not a comedian in Nigeria. What Jimmy too? Nigeria, what Jimmy said, you will be Daniel Frank and or baby or befa. Kapasi away. Yo, boy. How do? How do now? Yo.
So what's what to na boom so what to na boom so what to na boom so what to na boom
Shakala, bagala, shakala, bagala, unjami, so what to na boom so what to na boom so what to na boom yeah quiet. Yo, to all my shakara babies, so what you say ufanya sa mumbu munamu somotono candy beats. What's that? Yeah, beats in the goom. Anyway, yeah, they better to almost speakers. Rap father. Yeah. Change that kind. It's a hit, man. Shakara.
Hey, Frank. Yes. And I did assembly the other no was a man.
No, there was a Frank. Yes,
Oh, some me chim the man who saw what you want. Who bang na me your corner. I
he said, I'm got time, I'm just a because I'm got time.
Hey, who bedin from Iowa? Now, would have been also left roof, I bedin from all.
I feel a mess. If you ask no, a braboni, a book, and your moon pitch.
Share you, not the would ye try with room, honey. Try a chair with school fees, or show mammy, Unuyamui, or show them, where be mouth. Also, Penajera anyway, I don't know if you are like a mamma back. Autumn tone earpiece, or no now open. I like the 4 munis by you. Now, man, will be a photo or my quality, my mother. Now, for while in Nigeria, no matter.
I don't know, sir. My God, just in the drama in baby.
Hey,
my God, just Organa Jay, baby.
to see a organ,
Organium shade, we are just friends. Why? I don't know, come at 1 and say, come on for a car coming by 7 to my name, maybe. Mr. Shimno.
Hey! Ayo. Okay. Martina, me catch or set China, 1 pen, I catch and set China.
I don't penana.
Me pen is a set. I only a bear man and Kobe, sad now, did China, Obi did you and Cabell.
Mekuno.
Ah,
Mekuno.
now boy, your cheer school fees is some or what to obviously afford to you school. Nanga fee. Hey,
Dabio, send me Yammy bore me and I said, Mammy, chim me woman. What the member said, bear man, embedded to Quano, and I share me own. No, what
a hand to all show and know what's now.
when you crash him,
Not trying to think well, so on Pena Latin anyway. No, ban here.
Tintin, I be the other.
Now, so her.
Into the shan, I be the
Such
other.
I show. You dish and the front.
You dish it down.
Ah, never dish it off.
Maybe you dish it down.
And then among so off. Yes, you. Hey, and to what on I can come do to see a compliment in China for a mouse. Echo.
Just you.
Hey, Franca. Astanoka, anana, tenta, Adanoka, anana, tenta, Adadova, what a coco. What you did that in no tato do. And you daddy, or be to what you know, Janoka.
When watching. Nakasa, where I walk and uncle, let mammy, I say, Nakasa, yes, I be poor. And I bet Maka.
What bomb a pachin walk on, take one to cheap.
Who is this now cockroaches? Who is that?
Mina cockroaches.
Huh?
You said Mina what? Cockroach wine. When you're serious one. Now when you say again, I didn't know. Hey! Again.
One tish.
Now you know, sing your
one tish to back. Do you have something?
I don't know what he's saying.
So you don't understand
why are they throwing her? The people are saying that property they kill for another here.
Ask again.
You need something.
Franca, what I am saying, you're here.
Franca need.
There's a winning so on teaching, you know. Who can't say you're here, no? Ah, say winning so on teaching. And I will say that catch him say, what Jan now penny be no.
I say on your baby, I station.
On your baby, I know about the foul.
I'll be fine.
Why
Are you not coming to take her out?
It doesn't concern you.
Good.
After I'm going or I'm coming, it doesn't concern you. Okay?
But do you know she has a boyfriend?
That one there is on back of my case.
I said, what do you mean? Okay.
What is he saying? What is he saying?
She said you mad.
Hey,
Me.
which man? Crazy boy.
She said you foolish.
You say I'm finished. It's not there. Why you the dodge? It's not there.
Bema wouldn't answer. We'll get in the all kind of woody.
She said
Miss
you
all
don't have
boy.
senses.
Miss all boy. Miss all get no boy.
She
Oh, fine.
said
Yes,
you
she
don't
also
have
won't tell. She said she doesn't like you.
Who?
Your girlfriend.
Now who like you?
Me,
This now.
I don't have a boyfriend.
How can you have a boyfriend now? Because nobody they can like you now. And the way you did, you say when you go to my hometown, Nigeria, Lagos, when you go, you get something like you call and say incredible. They call it like this. Anybody where you don't get sense, where they will call an incredible person. Yellow papa.
Me that say, and I want to mention why.
Hey!
Now what's that?
Jessica,
Me kwa about China mania. Na se sa China so a, wonu wonam te se de, wonni adwumadi wo krom ha na, wodi wachi no. Se wodi ne kwaduro so de a minti kire.
Ma me nche wade. Ine wi aso. Dem fa be man kwaduro so. Eye kasa de. Akrokro. Ana wodo. Ana ye de kire be man se be man uku no kra na. Wonim se wuku no.
Ye kasa de na wodi ada atwan. Ana woni se akofa latani we.
Ana ahuni o, ana ahuni.
Se wo kra wo choice.
Me siesie ba hi fie ho ye.
Wo choice nye. Ade na we chena ni. We ya gina woni twan. We yonko ni twan.
We ye be ma sini twan. She be ma tuntum ni nani ama.
Hi.
She be ma ti asa shape.
Hello.
We ye be ma sini twan.
Hello. You see me? Bye bye. Now they're private.
This guy, she be crazy.
Annie, one thing is that you know that you have a problem.
Why?
The problem is this. Sometimes you are working with people. Work with people, they have sense. Don't work, just work. That is uncivilized girl like this. And then you are working to her.
I'm sorry. It's not happening. Let's go. So where are we passing right now? Let's pass here. No, let's pass here.
Let's pass it. But can you imagine
This
that?
place is shut.
But can you imagine that the last time we went to Memphis, I don't know, that place is too, their food is not tasty. So now, where are we going?
Okay, let's go to, I know a certain place. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And their food is not expensive.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Even though they do home delivery, so should we go to your place so that later you order the food or what?
I think that one's
Okay, so let's go to your place.
Nice! What do you mean? Wallah, Yana, my grandson, but madam, I'm picking. You know, say if I see at this now level, you be like, say, man, take my head, take for granted. When the black from you are going to swallow. You are too much. You are somebody you have to carry to the long. After you stand like this, see how the way this now your leg, this two has break. It has given me hot foot without thing. This one, if like Ghana people go pass through with this, after you go face now $150 million.
Hey, something, let's go.
Hey, let me follow back.
No, follow from.
Oh, let me follow back.
Shakara.